Hello, Maverick family. Just wanted to give you a little bit of an update as we head into another weekend. First off, congratulations for making it this far. 6 weeks is complete and in the books. I know that you have put forth more effort and you have worked harder than ever before in your career. And so for that, I am truly grateful to each and every one of you. And part of that is not just the academic side of things. Part of that is the safety side of what we're doing here. And so I'm glad to report that Pasadena Memorial has not had any confirmed cases here since we have started back at school. Not to say that it couldn't happen, but I truly believe that all of us working together as a team is making a difference in the safety, the health, and the well-being of our staff and our students. And we want to maintain that priority. We want to maintain our focus on safety. So as we continue throughout the school year, please help us to ensure that your students are staying safe while here. Let's all encourage one another to maintain safety practices and good hygiene while we're here by cleaning our hands and by wearing our masks while we're inside the building. And let's have a great weekend. It's going to be beautiful weather out there the next couple days. I know that there's the possibility of some tropical weather moving in early next week. But in the meantime, let's go and enjoy some of this beautiful weather. Enjoy friends and family. Hope you all have a great weekend. Please stay safe, and we will see you back here again on Monday. Go Mavs.